I still remember the day my contractor buddy dropped 2,400 bucks on a quarter page ad in the yellow pages, and he was proud of himself. He even sprung for the bold border. Our mutual friend Dave, who runs a plumbing company down the street, he told me he was throwing money away. I told him, just messing around, he was just jealous of the bold border. Well, turns out Dave was right. The calls he got were mostly from people looking for the cheapest bid in town, a bunch of wrong numbers, and one guy who thought he was a florist. Long story, but the ad had a lot of flowers in the border. Lesson learned. Anyway, this was a big wake-up call for my friend and myself. The world had changed, and I realized that I needed to change with it. For years, we got by on just word of mouth, a firm handshake, and maybe a yard sign truck wrap. And it worked for a while, but your customers aren't looking in that giant yellow book anymore. They're asking their phones, they're asking their smart speakers, and now they're asking AI. Hey, my name is Nick Garcia, and I'm a general contractor just like you. But a few years back, I dove headfirst into marketing to figure out how guys like us can actually get leads in this new world. And the single biggest game changer that I found, artificial intelligence. And if you think AI is just for tech nerds in Silicon Valley, you are leaving a ton of money on the table. All right, so before we get into the how, we got to get the jargon out of the way. SEO, AEO, and GEO, it sounds complicated, but it's simple. Think of it like building a house: foundation, framing, and finish work. First, you got SEO, search engine optimization. This is your foundation. It's how you get your website to show up on Google when somebody types in kitchen remodel near me. Next, you have AEO, answer engine optimization. This is your framing. This is how you get your business served up as a direct answer when somebody asks Siri or Alexa a question out loud. You want to be the answer. And finally, the new one, GEO, generative engine optimization. This is your finished work. This is how you get your business recommended by AI tools like ChatGPT when somebody asks, who's the best roofer in my area? So let's put it all together. SEO gets you found, AEO gets you heard, and GEO gets you recommended. And 2026, you need all three. So how do you actually do all this? You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need the right tool for the job. Now, you could try to juggle 5 or 6 different software subscriptions, a tool for estimate, another for proposal, one for managing projects, another for invoicing. It gets messy and it gets expensive. Or you can use an end-to-end platform that was built specifically for us contractors. That's where Handoff comes in. Think of Handoff as your new digital foreman. It handles the administrative chaos so you can focus on what you're good at doing, and that's building things. All right, let's get our hands dirty now. I'm going to walk you through 5 steps to build your own lead generating machine using AI. Step 1, fix your digital storefront, your website. Your website is the hub of everything. If it's confusing, you're losing leads. Use a tool like ChatGPT to rewrite your homepage copy. Just copy your text, paste it in, and ask it to make it more customer focused. You'll get a better draft in just 30 seconds. Then build out separate pages for every single service and town that you operate in. This is huge for getting discovered. Step 2, become your go-to expert in your town. People hire contractors they trust. The fastest way to build that trust is to share your expertise. Ask ChatGPT, give me 20 questions a homeowner would ask before starting a basement remodel. Boom, 20 blog post ideas right there. Write clear, simple answers to these questions on your website. This is exactly the stuff that AI answer engines are looking for. And step 3, get your Google business profile working overtime. If you haven't claimed and optimized your Google business profile, do it right now. It's free and it's critical for local leads. Use AI to help you write a great description and respond to every single review that you get. This builds massive trust with both customers and AI engines. All right, step 4, turn leads into jobs in record time using Handoff. This is where the magic happens. The contractor who responds fastest often wins the job. While your competitors are spending their evenings hunched over a spreadsheet, you're using Handoff. When a new lead comes in, it goes right into the Handoff project management. No more sticky notes. During your site visit, you can build the estimate literally right there on your phone. You can even use their AI transcription to record your walkthrough and have the notes automatically documented. Homeowners are literally blown away by this. And the best part, you can send a professional detailed proposal before you even back out of their driveway. That speed, that professionalism, that's how we win. Step 5, build your reputation. Finally, you need to build your authority online. Use AI to write friendly follow-up emails asking for reviews after every job. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are listed consistently across the web, House, Angie, local chamber of commerce, everywhere. Every mention is a vote of confidence in the eyes of AI. Now, I want to be real with you for a second. AI is a tool, it's not a magic wand. If your business has fundamental problems, if you do bad work, if you don't return calls, AI is just going to help you do the wrong things better and faster. But if you're a good contractor who just needs a better system, a platform like Handoff becomes a force multiplier. It takes you from what you're already doing well and amplifies it. So here's my challenge to you. Just start. Sign up for a trial at Handoff. All the links are in the description. Use ChatGPT to write one blog post. Spend one afternoon fixing your Google profile. The contractors who start today are going to be miles ahead of the ones still thinking about it next year. You spent years building your expertise with your hands. Now it's time to use that expertise to build your business with your head. AI is a tool that makes it possible. Now let's go build something great.